We Are the Harvest is a community-made tapestry and a video installation that shares the stories of South Central residents talking about their connection to both land and nature. We Are the Harvest is a collaboration between artist Michelle Glass and myself, and it was made possible through a nonprofit in LA called LA Commons. So I was first introduced to George Washington Carver in elementary school. We learned about George Washington Carver's work with peanuts. It wasn't until actually this exhibition that I started to learn more about who he was as a scientist and an inventor that really broadened my perspective on his overall life's work and artistic practice. This work in particular captures people who are residents in LA and their connection to their local community and their connection to community gardens, to community farms. All of these stories, all of these seed packets were stitched together by hand to create the physical tapestry that you see. And then we also conducted a series of video interviews to hear people's personal stories connected to the local community, connected to the workshops that they participated in. And so bringing these ideas from both Michelle and I together, allowing the community to have equal input in that and to be able to showcase this to a broader audience was really exciting.